Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing a fantastic budget-friendly juicer, the Hamilton Beach Juicer. If you're looking for a powerful, affordable juicer that's easy to use, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to see this juicer in action and discover why it could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Let's start with the unboxing. The Hamilton Beach Juicer comes with a few key components: the base motor, a large pulp container, and a stainless steel cutting blade with a mesh strainer. It also has a large feeding chute, which is great because you won't have to cut your fruits and veggies into tiny pieces. Right off the bat, I'm impressed by how compact and lightweight it is. Plus, the sleek stainless steel design will fit nicely in most kitchens. Assembly is super simple. Just pop the cutting blade into place, attach the pulp container. Now let's test this juicer with a mix of fruits and veggies. First up, we'll juice some apples. As you can see, the Hamilton Beach Juicer handles them with ease. The powerful motor and stainless steel blades really make a difference. Next, we're juicing some carrots. Carrots are a bit harder, but this juicer manages them well. You can see the vibrant orange juice coming through, perfect for a morning boost of vitamins. And for those of you who love green juice, the Hamilton Beach Juicer handles leafy greens like spinach just fine. The yield might be slightly less compared to a masticated. As for pulp, the Hamilton Beach Juicer does leave some pulp, but it's fairly dry, which means most of the juice is being extracted efficiently. You can always reuse the pulp in baking or smoothies if you like. Cleaning is a breeze with this juicer. Just take it apart, rinse the pieces under water, and you're done. The parts are also dishwasher safe, which is a lifesaver for those busy mornings. So, overall, I think the Hamilton Beach Juicer is an amazing option for anyone looking to get into juicing without breaking the bank. It's affordable, easy to use, and powerful enough for everyday juicing needs. If you're ready